Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by salting the meat and heating 2 tablespoons oil in a heavy pot. Sear in batches so the exterior browns. Once meat is browned, remove it and sweat the diced onion, carrots, and celery to build flavor. Make sure to deglaze with 1/2 cup stock or wine, scraping brown bits. This is the foundation. Return meat, add bay leaves and enough liquid to cover by about 1/2 inch. Bring to a gentle simmer and skim any foam. Once the stew is simmering, lower to maintain a gentle bubble. This extracts collagen slowly, making sauce rich and silky. Add firmer root vegetables after the first hour so they hold shape. Softer veg go in the last 20-30 minutes. Make sure to cook partially covered to concentrate flavors while preventing excess evaporation. Stir occasionally, skim fat if needed, and adjust salt. Seasoning late lets you correct depth gradually. If sauce is thin, reduce. If too thick, you finish by removing the pot from heat and resting the stew for 15-20 minutes. This lets juices redistribute and flavors meld. Skim any excess fat and adjust texture. Whisk a small beurre manière to thicken or reduce over medium heat to concentrate flavors. Taste and correct seasoning. If bland, add a splash of vinegar or a teaspoon of soy for umami. If too salty, dilute with water and a peeled potato to absorb salt. Serve warm with bread or grains.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.